You want to create an e-commerce platform in less than 60 seconds? Yes, with Veshop this can be made possible. You can actually create your own e-commerce platform, e-commerce business seamlessly with less than 60 seconds. So visit www.veshop.co today to get started. Let me take you through the step-by-step process on how you can access this. Visit www.veshop.co, then you click on the try for free button. After signing, click on the try for free, you'll be taken to the pricing page. Then go and click on this trial version. After clicking on the trial version, sign up with your details, your name, your email, your password, and your business name. After entering your business name, you'll be able to have access to your dashboard. After getting to your dashboard, notice that Veshop will confirm your registration in less than a few seconds. After your registration has been confirmed, you can now add your product description and add the payment mode that suits your business. After adding those, then you have to copy the link to your own profile and start sharing it on your Facebook, WhatsApp, and other means in which you want to sell your product. On the customer end now, when the customer wants to buy from you, they actually click on the link and it will take them directly to your store, and they'll be able to have access to your gallery or your product gallery. After they have, so they'll be able to click on the add to cart, able to check the product you have on store. After this, then you'll be able to make payment directly to you. Thank you for watching this.